Good morning, children. Children, before this also, I have sent my videos on certain topics related to the writing section to you. That was about notice writing, about letter writing. I hope that these videos are helping you not only to know the syllabus of yours, in fact, to know the details and to enhance your writing skills. Children, today also I am going to share the format of poster making. For class 11th and 12th, this is also one of the important topic, a question which carries 4 marks, and in fact, this is also the part of the first question of the writing section of your paper. Poster making. Now, the first thing is that though this word is already heard by us, we know the meaning of it, but still we need to find out and to know that what is a poster. So children, as here it is given in the description, a poster is a large notice announcing or advertising something. It generally creates social awareness about any problem or needs. It also conveys a social message in an eye-catching way. That means, children, whenever you want to convey a general message to the society by making it attractive, so that can be in the form of a poster. Now, for example, you want to convey a message to the society to save water, to save electricity, or it can be related to child labor. So what are these? These are the social issues which you want to make the people aware about. You want to raise these topics, and the best way of raising these issues among the people, making them attractive, can only be through the poster making. Now, not only this, the posters are sometimes made for some events also. For example, your school, for example, Krishna Public School wants to organize a fete in the school on Children's Day. So, to make it a particular notice would only make the children aware about it, but when you make a poster related to this, that there will be a fete organized, that would going to create excitement among the students, because you will also be able to make it attractive through some pictures, and you can also send that poster outside for the parents as well as for the other people to know. I hope now that what is a poster is quite clear to all. Now let us move on to the features of the poster. Here, I am going to talk about the main features related to a poster. The first one says layout, a creative title in the form of a slogan or rhythmic words. For example, speed thrills but kills, pollution needs a solution, green is clean. What are these? These are the small phrases which have been created into a rhythmic manner to create a beautiful meaning also. So, they can be used as titles. So, that means the first thing which comes into the format is the title which you have to organize for making a poster. Second, you can use matchstick figures for illustration. That means you can use some small caricatures and small slogans to make your words more clear and meaningful. Now, other parts, proper spacing and proportionate headings and illustration. That means not only one, in fact, 3 to 4 such meaningful messages can be given by you by giving proper space, by giving particular position to these slogans into your poster. Date, time and venue must be mentioned in case of an event. As I've already discussed with you the example of the event. Suppose you are organizing a fete. So, it has to be organized on a particular date, particular time and particular place. In that case, these details are to be filled in. Whereas, suppose you are making a poster for saving electricity. No time, no venue, no date would be required for that because there is no fixed time to save electricity. Then, a poster displays a message or an appeal to create awareness. That depends that as per the requirement of the question, what message you are writing and how you are making it creative for the readers. Now, next, the content should be organized in an appropriate style. Whatever content you are giving to your poster, it has to be designed into such a manner that it looks attractive and it is readable by all. Now, use appropriate expression and correct languages. That means the expression and the language which you are using should be simple and easy to understand. Then, the theme should be clear. Suppose the theme is save water. So, your poster should have such words and even the picture which you are using into it should be such which can make your theme clear to the audience, to the readers, to the people. Now, next. The poster should be creative and related to the content and theme should not be vague. This I have already explained that how you have to make sure that the theme and the content of the poster are clear and correlated to each other. Do not spend much time on illustration. That means don't spend much time on elaborating it. It has to be precise and specific. Written language and expression will only help you score better. That means, suppose you are making a poster related to save water. It doesn't mean that you are going to only make a beautiful picture and you are not writing words into it. You are not giving that message which is required. You are not putting in your expression through words. So that will not fetch you marks. For marks, children, you need to put your expression into words in the form of slogans, in the form of phrases, not in sentences. Make sure that a poster does not carry sentences. It has only phrases and slogans. And towards the end, you write the name of the issuing authority or the organizer. That means, suppose towards the end, as I have given you one example, that as Krishna Public School is organizing a fete. So towards the end, what would you write? You will write Krishna Public, organized by Krishna Public School. That means the name of the organizing authority would come towards the end. And when you put that poster into a frame, that completely gives you a poster. Though tomorrow, I will going to make 2 posters on blackboard also, so that I can quote examples to you through my video. Now also with this I have attached one example for you. Here is the example. Fireworks and crackers are known to create pollution during festivals. As an environmentalist, design a poster in about 50 words to create awareness of their ill effects. And this question was even asked into compartment exam of All India 2015. that shows the importance of it. And here is the answer. You can see that how this has been designed, and say no to crackers. This is the heading which has been used, and the slogans have been used, particularly making a theme. Diyas are creating the, helping us to understand the theme, and the words written into phrases are making us clear. So children, this how you have to make the poster. A poster should be neatly drawn, it should be attractive, it should be specific, precise, with less number of words, but the theme which you want to convey through the poster should be very clear. To make your poster not only easy to understand but eye-catching also, because that's the foremost requirement of a poster, that it should be attractive. I hope that this explanation will definitely help you to understand a poster and to know that how does it work. Thank you, children.